Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video going to be reviewing Finelo. So what is Finelo? Well, Finelo is your step-by-step education platform to mastering investing and personal finance. So they've got interactive courses, a real-world investing simulator, and a personal education plan which can help you boost your investing and financial skills in just a few days or weeks. Okay, so how do you get started? Well, getting started is very much easy. All you have to do is simply click on the link in the description and it will take you to this website right here. And simply either click on this button here saying get started or the one in the top right corner, then get started. And all you have to do is simply answer a few of these questions. Okay, they're not a lot. Okay, so for example, you're saying, have you invested before? I'll click on yes. Okay, simply enter in your age. Okay, and choose what your main goal is. So here I'm going to choose a doctor of more stability. Okay, then continue. Okay, choose something realistic here. I'll go with the lowest. What are challenges you current with your job? Maybe this one. Then I'll click on next step. Okay, continue. Maybe I can say someone satisfied. Maybe I can say sometimes. What would I prioritize if I had extra money? Mm, I think investing and growing it. Okay, I think I'm very confident. So you're saying we are glad to hear this. According to the survey by Crypto One, only 20% of people feel confident about their future. However, many people tend to say to stay on the same financial level for decades because they lack how to knowledge how to go further. Okay, good. We continue. Then simply enter in your email to proceed. Okay, so then the next step is to get your plan. So this is the pricing for Finero. So there's a 1 week plan where you get to pay less than $1 per day. Then there's the most popular one, it's a 4 week plan. Okay, you pay $19.99. Then there's the 12 week plan. So get something that you can afford. Then simply click on get my plan. Okay, so I'm now logged in into my account and this is my account. So now let's talk about what you get to have in Finelo. So let's start about the courses. What can you really learn with Finelo? So when I click here, I'll be able to see the main paths. So there's the investor path. Okay, there's the 28-day trading challenge. There's the crypto path, passive income, trader essentials. Okay, then there's also mini courses. Okay, so you can learn about the candlestick chart, support and resistance, how to enter trades, stop loss, and so on. Okay, so for example, when I click on this one, simply click on start, then start, then the lesson will load. Okay, so basically, this is it. It's so good and everything just really looks nice. So let's check out other things that you can do with Finero. So there are tools here. Okay, so the AI market forecaster is this is where you upload a screenshot of the chart, then the AI will do a forecast for you. Then the smart pattern finder is the same thing to get some patterns from the image that you're going to provide. And what I would like to use most is the AI mentor, which analyzes your financial plan. Okay, then from what you're going to learn, you might want to put what you've learned to practice, and this is where the simulator comes in. So in this simulator, this is where you're actually given free demo money that you can practice with. This is demo money, so don't be scared. Feel free to trade. Okay, so simply click on any asset or instrument that you like to trade. For example, Apple. Okay, then you can either buy or you can sell. Then you simply have to enter in the amount that you have to buy. Let's say 600. Okay, then simply buy. So it's saying insufficient funds. So I'll click your buy for $44. Okay, and the order is complete just like that. Okay, now there's also the leaderboard. Okay, and showing that I took the 15th place last week, which is okay. So the more you use Finelo, the more XP that you're going to gain, and keep on learning and using the simulator, then you might find yourself number one. Okay, so this is how you actually do it. Okay, so one thing I forgot to say, when you're learning, audio lessons are also there. If you don't like reading, okay, audio lessons are also available. Then in the simulator, like if you enter a trade and you make a loss, okay, they're going to offer you a mini course explaining like how you make that loss, which is good. At least you'll be able to know your mistakes. So remember, the link is in the description. If you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. But for now, this is Keith.